Welcome! In today's lesson, you'll learn how to take accurate body measurements like a professional fashion designer. Correct measurements are the foundation of every well-fitting garment. Today, we'll cover the shoulder width, bust, under bust, waist, high hip, and full hip measurements. Before we begin, you'll need a soft measuring tape, a notebook, and a pencil. Wear fitted clothing so the measuring tape sits directly against your body. Stand naturally, relax your shoulders, and breathe normally throughout the process. Let's begin with the shoulder width measurement. Ask the person to stand naturally with relaxed shoulders. Place one end of the measuring tape at the tip of one shoulder bone and extend it straight across the upper back to the tip of the opposite shoulder bone. Keep the tape flat and straight without curving around the neck or arms. This measurement is essential for well-fitting dresses, blouses, jackets, and tops. Next is the bust measurement. Wrap the measuring tape around the fullest part of the bust, ensuring it remains parallel to the floor across both the front and back. The tape should rest comfortably against the body without being too tight or too loose. Wearing the bra you intend to wear with the finished garment will provide the most accurate measurement. Now we'll take the under bust measurement. Place the measuring tape directly underneath the bust around the rib cage. Ensure the tape stays perfectly level all the way around the body. The tape should be snug but not tight. This measurement is especially important for fitted bodices, corsets, structured dresses, and bras. Next is the natural waist measurement. Locate your natural waist by bending gently to one side. The crease that forms is your natural waist. Wrap the measuring tape around this point, keeping it level with the floor. Relax your stomach and breathe normally. Avoid holding your breath or pulling the tape too tightly. Now let's measure the high hip. Measure approximately 3 to 4 inches, or 7 to 10 centimeters, below the natural waist. Wrap the measuring tape around the upper hip area, ensuring it remains straight and level around the body. This measurement is important for fitted skirts, trousers, and dresses. Finally, we'll measure the full hip. Stand with your feet together and distribute your weight evenly. Wrap the measuring tape around the fullest part of the hips and buttocks. Check that the tape remains horizontal all the way around. It should lie comfortably against the body without compressing the skin or clothing. Let's review. Shoulder width is measured from one shoulder point across the upper back to the opposite shoulder point. Bust is measured around the fullest part of the bust. Under bust is measured directly beneath the bust around the rib cage. Waist is measured around the natural waist. High hip is measured 3 to 4 inches below the waist. Full hip is measured around the fullest part of the hips and buttocks. Always take each measurement twice. If the measurements differ, take a third measurement and record the most consistent result. Accurate body measurements are the key to creating garments that fit beautifully and comfortably. Thank you for watching. In our next lesson, we'll cover the neck, armhole, bicep, sleeve length, wrist, and other important upper body measurements. Don't forget to subscribe and join us for the next class. Happy sewing!